And let us take some examples for advanced practice problems. पहला क्वेश्चन आपको दिया है बेंजीन रिंग में COCl COOCH3, अगले में साइक्लोहेक्सेन में COOH COOC2H5। आप स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ कर लीजिए एंड देन राइट द नेम्स योरसेल्फ। नाउ कमिंग टू सॉल्यूशन पार्ट, देखिए पहले में क्या है, आउट ऑफ दिस टू ग्रुप व्हिच ग्रुप हैव हायर प्रायोरिटी, एस्टर हैव हायर प्रायोरिटी, सो नंबरिंग इज 1 2। दिस कंपाउंड इज नेम्ड एज एस्टर because ester is having higher priority as compared to COCl in the priority order. So this compound can be named what here? 2 means first we take methyl always first, methyl first, then 2 chlorocarbonyl, chlorocarbonyl benzoate. It is named as a whole prefix name chlorocarbonyl. Alkyl groups will be written always first with irrespective of the alphabetical sequence. First alkyl group, then 2 chlorocarbonyl benzoate. For next compound, what the name here? It is named here. देखिए इसमें क्या है, COS priority higher, number 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this group as a whole is named as prefix name. How to name prefix name here? Ethoxycarbonyl, it is ester. So for this we'll take numbering 3 ethoxy, that is C2H5O, ethoxycarbonyl as prefix. Cyclohexane, 3 ethoxycarbonyl cyclohexane, 1 carboxylic acid, 3 ethoxycarbonyl cyclohexane, 1 carboxylic acid. 1 ना लिखो चलो यहाँ पे, without writing 1 it can work. For next compound can write the name, सोच लीजिए। देखिए इसमें क्या है, it is amide, priority higher for amide, numbering 1 2 3. This is named as a whole prefix name now. Numbering and reading again 1 2 3 4 5 और 2 days can be written, 2 is okay as per NCERT, you can follow the numbering again. Now it is named as prefix name amino first, so write first 2 amino, and then 3 as a whole. The group is written here in the bracket, write the name here. क्या है इसका नाम? cyclo, 3 cyclo pent, 2 enyl. Cyclo, it is cyclopentenyl, but to differentiate position 2 enyl. Substitute as a whole, and then propanamide. It is propanamide compound, derivative only of that 2 amino cyclo at 3 position दिया है, 3 cyclopent 2 enyl propanamide is the compound name. Okay, let us take some more examples. For these 3 compounds write the IUPAC name. आप लोग कंपाउंड का स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ कर लीजिए, पूरा लिख लीजिए, नोट कर लीजिए, एंड देन राइट द नेम एट योर ऑन फर्स्ट एंड देन सी सॉल्यूशंस. Now writing the first compound name here, let us see name first compound. देखिए इसमें क्या है, we have 2 CN can come in direct carbon chain but not CN third CN, so we take longest carbon chain rule. The rule is followed as usual, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This compound is named as 6 carbon compound in the principal carbon chain, and this is named as what here? Prefix name. It is prefix name what here? Cyanomethyl. Prefix name is cyanomethyl for this case. All the example taken as similar category. So this compound is named what here? 3 in the bracket cyanomethyl. Already it has we can take group extra, so cyanomethyl as a whole, and then the remaining carbon chain 6 atoms, so hexane, comma 1 6 dinitrile. For cyanide you have suffix nitrile. For next compound, what the name taken here or can be given as 1 2 3 या 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. These two can be taken substituents only because they cannot come in direct carbon chain. For them name can be taken formyl methyl. For them the name can be taken formyl methyl. So in this case the name is taken 3,3. Bis for two substituents on side chain heavy branching. Bis formyl methyl hexane 1,6-diol. For next compound name is similarly taken here 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is named as carboxymethyl 3. In the bracket take name carboxymethyl hexane. We have taken root word here hexane 1,6-dioic acid. Hexane 1,6-dioic acid. Okay. Let us take one more example before we bind up this chapter. I will take next example then here. NH2CO CH2 CH2CO NH2. Now it is CH2CO NH2. So this can be taken carbon chain longest 1 2 3 एक ही टाइप का है दोनों साइड से. तो 1 2 3 4 5. Name can be taken here what 3,3 in the base. In the bracket the name taken what here carbamoyl methyl. For amide we have prefix name carbamoyl methyl hexane 5 carbons 1 2 3 4 5 pentane 1 5 add here 1 5 diamide. Okay, so we have taken enough practice and rest you can do. Basic rules already have been explained well, and if you try thoroughly after reading, going through all the rules, you can definitely do almost all kind of questions in the given chapter. Nomenclature of compounds. Okay, thank you.